countries today that were
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru kugera ministry yayo ya kuramata mihango ya maria-ini kana fisheries yugite ni kugathika mitaratara mirumu ya kuhurana na aria matwarithagia na mbere mihango ya gutega thamaki iria-ini ria Naivasha matari na marua ma kumetikiria gwika uguo. Afitha munene thiini wa ruhonge ru Matthew Ngila augite ni makoretwo makihurana na ciiko icio iria itumite namba ya thamaki iria-ini riu gukundera kumana na ategi aingi aria makoragwo magithara na gutega thamaki nyingi niguo mahote gwitiria hari thuguri ya wendia wa thamaki.
Because we want Naivasha has been not be a good tourist destination. We want to encourage that. So we don't want these illegal activities that are ongoing to affect tourism industry in Naivasha.
One of the key issues that we were discussing is how to make sure that there is safety within Lake Naivasha, there is protection of wildlife, there is proper management of this resource, because without it, the socio-economic activities within the lake are doomed.
Afitha ucio augite gutacukia ikinya kuri ategi a Google niguo guteithiriria hari kuingiha kwa namba ya thamaki muthemba wa tilapia uria urorete guthira amu niguo ukoretwo kirongorerio ni ategi aingi a Google.
For the last about 6 months, we have arrested or seized about 34 boats that were found conducting illegal fishing.
Both the security agencies, the government institutions, the stakeholders in Naivasha have agreed to work together to look and get solutions to the diverse issues that are of concern to the residents of Naivasha.
Ngila ekwaragia mwena wa Naivasha thutha mucemanio uria ukurehete hamwe anyiti itemi angi aria matwarithagia na mbere mihango mwanya mwanya iria-ini riu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lango.
The first one was raised by Peter, concern